Hey there, savvy investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tools to help you build wealth smarter and faster. Today, we're tackling how to set up automatic investing on Raymond James. If you're tired of manually transferring funds and want your investments to run on autopilot, you're in the right place. Automatic investing is a game changer. It lets you schedule regular contributions to your portfolio, taking advantage of dollar cost averaging to potentially grow your wealth over time without the stress of timing the market. First things first, make sure you have a Raymond James account set up. If you don't, head over to their website and create one. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Investments section. Look for the Transfers or Automated Investments option. This is where the magic happens. Step 1. Select the account you want to fund, like your brokerage or IRA account. Then, choose the source of your funds. Could be a linked bank account or another Raymond James holding. Next, set your investment preferences. Decide on the amount you want to invest automatically. Start small if you're new, say $50 or $100 per transfer, and pick your frequency. Options might include weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or even quarterly to match your budget. Don't forget to specify the investment type. Raymond James offers a variety of options, from mutual funds to stocks or ETFs, so pick what aligns with your goals. Once everything's selected, review your settings carefully to avoid any mistakes. Hit Confirm or Submit to activate your automatic plan. One quick tip. Keep an eye on your account after setup to ensure the first transfer goes through smoothly. If you run into any issues, Raymond James has excellent customer support. Give them a call or chat online. There you have it, folks. Setting up automatic investing on Raymond James is simple and can put your financial future on cruise control. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. What's your next investing move? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.